We're going to explain how to disable the crossfader on your Pioneer DDJ-400 controller using Rekordbox DJ software. There isn't a single button to instantly turn it off. Instead, you need to adjust the crossfader curve and then assign it to a different function, effectively disabling its crossfading capabilities. First, let's adjust the crossfader curve. 1. Connect your DDJ-400 to your computer and make sure Rekordbox DJ is open and your controller is recognized. 2. Locate the crossfader curve setting within Rekordbox's controller settings. This is usually found under the Setup or Preferences menu, depending on your Rekordbox version. The exact location might slightly differ, but it will always be accessible within the DDJ-400 settings section. 3. You'll see a slider or a graphical representation of the crossfader curve. Move this slider all the way to the left. This will set the curve to its sharpest setting. Essentially, this means the crossfader will only switch between channels completely, rather than gradually blending. With the crossfader at the extreme left, only one channel will ever play, regardless of your fader position. This is almost the same as switching the crossfader off. However, if you want to completely disable the crossfader, here's what to do. 4. Assign a different function to your crossfader. Within Rekordbox's controller settings, find the section that allows you to map controller functions. Here you can reassign the function of the crossfader. For example, you could assign it to control the effect parameters, volume of a specific deck, or even something else entirely. Find a function that you are not currently using and assign it to your crossfader. 5. It's important to ensure that you save your settings in Rekordbox after making these adjustments. This will store your modified crossfader settings and ensure they are loaded each time you start Rekordbox with your DDJ-400. By doing this, you've effectively removed the blending feature of your crossfader from your workflow, therefore disabling it for all intents and purposes. Remember that you can always revert these changes by resetting the crossfader curve back to a more gradual setting and reassigning the crossfader to its default function within Rekordbox DJ's controller settings. This process ensures that you have full control over how your crossfader works within your setup and allows for a more customizable DJ experience.